I'm Karina and welcome to Get Healthy with Hauterfly along with Nestle A+. In today's episode, we're going to witness the goodness of yogurt which comes with all its versatility. Apart from using yogurt in parfaits and lassi, today we're going to be making a roasted red pepper labne. We're going to start off by making some hung curd, for which you'll need a bowl, a sieve, a muslin cloth, and now you'll be using Nestle A+ yogurt and pour it on top of the cloth. So now that you've put the yogurt on the cloth, squeeze all the water out of it, twist the cloth and tie a knot, and let this stay overnight till all the water is drained out of the yogurt. So now that we've put the hung curd aside, we're going to start roasting the red peppers. Take a red pepper and poke some holes in it with a fork. Now lightly brush all the peppers with some oil. Now put these peppers in the oven till they're roasted. So after you've roasted the pepper, it should look something like this, and let it cool down, remove the peel, and then you can dice the peppers up. So I've already diced these up right here. So now that we have the red peppers diced, I already have hung curd which I pre-made last night, and now we're going to mix all the ingredients together in the blender. Now put the diced peppers first, add this creamy hung curd to it. Now in order to add some flavor, add some chili flakes and some salt to taste. And add a little bit of mayo. So this is very good consistency now. You can either have it with vegetables like cucumber sticks or carrot sticks, or with some lavash or any kind of chips that you like. If you do try this recipe out, make sure to leave your comments in the comment section below and share it with all your friends. Stay tuned for more videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time, bye!